The mom says, "Jeremy, what happened to the lamp?" And Jeremy says, "It got broken." Politicians will say, "Mistakes were made," when they really should be saying, "I made a mistake." What is happening here? You got it. Both parties are avoiding blame by using passive voice. Sometimes it's okay to use passive voice, but generally it's better to use active voice. Don't know what that means? Let's fix that. Active voice is when a subject acts upon its verb. Passive voice is when a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. When Mom asked Jeremy about the lamp, instead of saying, "I broke it," which is active voice because I is the subject and broke is the action, Jeremy, just like the politician, used passive voice to deflect blame. The subject, it, the lamp, received the action, got broken. So, what does active voice look like? Here are some passive voice examples. The report was submitted by Veronica. You will need to sign a visitor's pass. John won't be able to join the picnic. Now let's make them active. Feel free to pause the video and try to write them for yourself. Veronica submitted the report. You must sign a visitor's pass. John can't join the picnic. Active voice is clear and direct. The language is simpler to understand. Passive sentences are wordy and the sentence structure is complex. Imagine if ad slogans were written in passive voice. See if you can guess the original ad. It is hard to believe the whole thing was eaten. Can you guess what this is? Here's the actual slogan. I can't believe I ate the whole thing. Here's another. Happiness can be opened. Recognize it? The actual slogan is Open Happiness. Try this one. Good things are brought to life. Know what it is? We bring good things to life. The actual slogans have a lot more oomph. Imagine if Nike had written its slogan, "Just do it," in passive voice. Make sure it gets done. You would still be thinking about what it is, what needs to be done, and whether you even want to do it. Is passive all bad? Not at all. It is best used when the doer is unknown, the doer is unimportant, when the doer is better left unsaid, or if you need to use tact. Here is a tip for finding passive language. Start by searching for verbs of being and helping verbs. Am, is, are, was and were, being, been, be, have, has, had, do, does, did, will, would, shall, and should. When you find them, see if you can tighten the sentence structure. Using active voice makes your writing clearer and more concise. It eliminates extra words and confusion. For more information about using active voice, please visit protean.learnworlds.com. The course, Choosing Your Words, provides detail about word choice and much more. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. I'm Nina Delella. Thanks for watching.